I had a week back, about a week back. Back pain, it comes for us all, yet there are a few that can avoid this. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce back pain. But before I get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on your push notifications so you can catch me every single week, and also hit that like button. How does one become superhuman and mitigate the familiar yet unsuspecting back spasms? If you or somebody you know is suffering from lumbago, I have 3 tips to share with you guys that are going to help mitigate the risk of getting those back spasms, getting that back pain when you're working out or just doing some daily activities. Tip number 1, invest in a bed. Your mattress, it plays a vital role in the way you sleep. There's that story with the bears and the little girl where one bed is too soft and one bed is too hard, but then there's that one bed that is just right. If you or somebody you know is overworking themselves and not getting adequate sleep, they may be inflaming the pain when they take that nap. Technically, there's no right way to sleep. Everyone sleeps in different types of positions, but there are types of positions that helps work those kinks out. If you have a ton of pillows, you might want to start utilizing them to stabilize your body. For example, I myself, I like to sleep on my back. So when I sleep on my back, I put a pillow right under my kneecaps. And if I sleep on my tummy, I put it right under my pelvis, which is kind of weird. But anyway, if I sleep on my side, I put it right between my legs. And I sleep very comfortably because your body is now being stabilized. Try it out tonight. Tip number 2, you might have to lose some weight. Big boobs, they're great in my opinion. I love big boobs, but if you have big boobs and your back is hurt, you might want to consult with your physician because I can't really do nothing for you. Now, if you're overweight from having one too many cheeseburgers, this might be the reason why you're having back problems too. Of course, you can go to the doctor and get that medication, which can be expensive, but being healthy is cheap and easy, like your mom. I shouldn't have said that. Instead of wasting all that money on medication and doctor bills, why don't you just invest that money into maybe a personal trainer or a dietitian and get yourself back on track. Get it back on track. Back on track. Some like it hot, oh yeah. And some like it cold, real cold now. Tip number 3, invest in hot and cold packs. Hot and cold packets do wonders for your back. If you're torn between the two, consider these 2 tips with the hot and cold packs. If you're feeling inflammation, you want to mitigate that swelling, things of that nature, use a cold pack. If you're having muscle spasms or even cramps for that matter, you want to put some heat on it to kind of release that tension. And that's where I'm going to end it here, Mixonite. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button. Also, if you have some tips maybe for helping your back out or helping some of the other Mixonite's backs out, you know, listed down in the description box below. Also, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Turn on your push notifications and also hit the like button. And I'll catch you next week. Peace.